What's up, guys? Welcome back to BT Willis Garage. Where's my rear view mirror? Actually, it fell off. You guys interested in repairing yours? Let's get started. Welcome to the channel. Here's the product that we're going to be using for this repair. It's the rear view mirror adhesive by Permatex. I'll put a link to the Amazon version of this. You can also pick it up locally. Really convenient to use Amazon, but this is what we're going to be using to glue our existing rear view mirror back into place. This cost, I don't know, right around 10 bucks, a little bit more, a little bit less, but well worth it to get your rear view mirror back in place. Alright guys, so step one is going to be, before you scrape the glue, go ahead and you should have some glue remaining here. Take an Expo marker or a crayon or something that's removable and trace, let me see if you can see that, trace an outline of where that glue is. I just used a brown Expo, I don't know if you can see that, but just trace where your mirror needs to go back, and then we'll go to step two. Alright guys, here's step two. I've actually already done mine, and you can see where I traced on the outside of the window with that Expo. But I want you to take a razor blade like this and scrape away all the glue that's right there. Don't worry, you won't scratch the windshield bad. It'll be fine. Just go ahead and scrape everything off real carefully and get it cleaned up in preparation. Alright guys, so there was glue here as well that I literally just scraped all the way off. This is the rear view mirror, this is the mount. So after you get done scraping it off, push pretty hard and remove it. And we're going to glue this first before we glue it with the mirror so that it dries and we have a good connection as far as the glue being sealed to the window for whenever we actually mount it. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned up first, and then we're going to prep it with a little bit of the cleaning solution. Alright, so you're going to peel open this little thing here, and it actually allows you to not even have to put on gloves, but rub that pad really good in the area that we want clean. Get it really, really clean. And it says to also give equal attention to this little pad here. I just want to have the surface prepped really good for the new glue, so I'm rubbing that little green pad there all over that metal piece. We're going to let that dry for around 60 seconds. Alright, so next you want to get the direction of which way your button, as they call it here, needs to go. So I know mine needs to go this way. Oops. Small side up, small side up. Keep telling yourself that. And we're going to stick it right there. We're going to let it take hold and hopefully not glue my hand. There we go. Yeah, that's stuck on there real good. Just make sure you get the direction right, guys, because one side's smaller than the other. Just take your mirror and mock it up. So I know that mine's going to slide down and lock in. Hope you guys understand what I mean. So at this point, while that's drying, you can go ahead and take the Expo marker or crayon off the outside before you forget. Alright guys, we let that set for 30 minutes, and I actually added a little bit of masking tape just to give it some extra support. But we are ready to mount our rear view mirror just by sliding this down into the channel like so. I'm going to loosen this bolt back just a little and slide it down till it clicks. Alright, that's not going anywhere. we've got a rear view mirror again. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, the Permadex link as far as the glue and prep and all that is in the description. I'll also put a link to a razor blade if you don't have one. But you guys enjoy your day and enjoy that rear view mirror back in action. Have a good one. Thanks for watching BT Wills Garage.